Welcome back. Now, there are features that belong to certain affiliate networks that are not part of every affiliate network. One in particular is going to be that you can set up an individual contest for your affiliates for a specific launch. You are now looking at the Warrior Plus network, and you want to find out if your affiliate network allows you to create a contest for affiliates to be able to see how they're doing versus other affiliates in real time. Now, we can make the contest competitive in Warrior Plus for all of the products in the funnel, or we can make it for specific products. We're going to give the contest a name. We're going to determine how individuals are going to be ranked in the contest. You can choose total revenue, you can choose total number of sales, or you can choose total number of individual buyers. You are going to set a start date and end date for the contest. What you're going to do is to determine how many total individuals can be winners in the contest. And you'll then determine how many individuals you want to display as being competitive. You can choose to make it so that the contest is going to be public and available on the Warrior Plus network, or you can choose to keep it private and only make it available to the individuals that you want to see it. Now, in some cases, there is a practice where individuals will team up and they will use their joint results to compete for the contest. You can make it so that affiliate teams are not going to be available, or you can make it so that they can compete together. So again, this is going to be a feature that you're going to want to find inside of your affiliate network if indeed there is one. For example, for the search JV contest and ThriveCart, there are no results available, which means that ThriveCart does not have the capacity in order for you to administer a contest. And however you choose to set the parameters for the contest, it's a good idea to place that information on your JV marketing page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.